Hey, everybody. Being self-sufficient is all about doing more with less. And when it comes to electricity, there's a little secret. Unplug things that aren't in use. This toothbrush doesn't need to be plugged in. This cell phone charger, unplugged. Fan, won't need that till later. Some things you'll never unplug, like this CO2 meter, or fire alarms, or stoves. But your deep fryer and Instant Pot, unplug them. And don't forget to turn off the lights. What we don't know is that there's leakage in your plugs. So even though it's not turned on, they're still getting their money out of you through this electrical leakage. So beware of the leakage, guys. Turn off, unplug, and win.